Welcome to Invisible Studio Tips and Tricks. Today, we'll walk you through how to create and use your own characters with Character Builder. First, start a new project in Content Builder. Jot down a few character ideas, then generate some visuals using the image tools. See one you like? Just click Save Character, give your character a name, and save it. Invisible Studio trains the model for you right in the character library. Want to upload your own image? Just click Create Character, drag and drop, or upload your file, name your character, and hit Save. It's that simple. Once training is complete, you'll get a notification letting you know your character is ready to use. Now you can use your character in any prompt by typing the @ symbol, followed by their name. The system will recognize the handle and generate new images of your saved character. Character Builder is now available in Invisible Studio, exclusively for Pro subscribers. Every story needs a cast. Start building yours now.